Hey, Rogan.
Oh.
Rogan, where's Wendy?
Scoot away from.
You got Nolan in there too? Get your whole body in there, Nolan. Where's Wes? Where'd you Wes go? And where are the kids? Let's see. There was Natalie and Meredith. There goes Quinn. And Natalie's got Liam. And Wes is behind me someplace. Wes. Too close. Hi, oh thank you. Rogan, don't eat that. Rogan, don't eat that. Thanks, buddy. Yeah. Nolan, Natalie. Is he eating sand? Don't eat sand, honey. Don't eat sand. What are you doing? Rogan, no. 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 Just play in it, silly. Hey, you. Messiest boy ever. Woo. Wes is taking all the crabs. Here comes some water.
Can Liam hold a crab?
Yeah, if he wants to. You find one for him? No. You, hey, trouble. Honey. Yucky. Hi, Rogan. How are you? You liking that little hammerhead shark? Hi, Wes.
Hi, Mom. I just need to read.
Did you guys have a good time at the park and the beach and the pool today? Hey, Liam.
Hey, Miss
Hi, buddy. What's wrong, honey? Say, excuse me, Quinn. Hi, Quinn. Did you have a good day today? Quinn, did you have fun today? How about you, Liam? Did you like the beach? Was it nice to see Nolan and Natalie and Meredith? Yeah, I had a really good time. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was catching the crabs.
You caught a lot of crabs today. Fiddler crabs galore. And what was your favorite part? Splashing around, eating sand? You ate a lot of sand. Don't eat this water. Yucky. Yucky.
Yuck.
You're so silly.
You're so...
Alright, I gotta get this camera out of the pool before I get it soaking. Hey, Liam. Did you have a good time? What did you do? What was your favorite part of the beach today?
Playing with Nolan.
Playing with Nolan. Oh, sweet.
Wait, you're gonna get Wendy's camera's lens wet.
Hey, Quinn. What was your favorite part about the beach today? What?
I like it.
You just liked it all over? Alright. Alright, guys. That was fun.